Hello, today we are looking at why ships are coated red. Under every ship, the ocean starts attacking right away. Teeny sea creatures stick.
From above the ocean, ships look calm, smooth, and powerful. But below the waterline, an invisible war is constantly being fought. The ocean is not empty. It is filled with microscopic organisms, larvae, algae, and tiny sea creatures all searching for surfaces to attach to. The moment a ship enters the water, it becomes a target. Within hours, a thin biological film begins forming. Within days, algae starts growing. Within weeks, hard-shelled organisms like barnacles begin attaching themselves permanently. This process is called biofouling, and it is one of the biggest threats to a ship's efficiency. At first, these organisms seem harmless. But as they accumulate, they turn the smooth steel hull into a rough, uneven surface. Now imagine water flowing along that surface. Instead of gliding smoothly, the water becomes turbulent. Swirls and resistance form. This dramatically increases hydrodynamic drag, the force that resists the ship's motion. Even a small increase in drag has a massive effect. A heavily fouled hull can increase fuel consumption by up to 40%. That means more fuel burned, higher operating costs, reduced speed, increased engine stress. For massive cargo ships crossing oceans, this can translate into millions of dollars lost every year. Why red? The chemistry behind it. The traditional reason ships are painted red is due to copper-based compounds. Copper is naturally toxic to many marine organisms. When used in paint, it slowly releases tiny amounts of copper ions into the surrounding water. These ions create an environment that is hostile to barnacles, algae, and other organisms, preventing them from settling on the hull.
In dry docks
the reddish color comes
protection.
from copper oxide, which gives the paint its distinctive appearance. So the color isn't just for looks, it's a direct result of the active chemical ingredients inside the coating. High voltage: how the paint actually works.
Causes corrosion, which
This
weakens
paint
steel
doesn't
structures.
act like a simple barrier. It's dynamic. As the ship moves
Modern
through
coatings
water,
balance protection with
the
environmental
outer
safety
layer
and
slowly wears away. Fresh active material is exposed. Copper ions continue to release. This is called a self-polishing coating. It ensures that the hull remains smooth and effective over time, constantly renewing itself as the ship operates. Protection against corrosion. But marine growth is only half the problem. Saltwater is extremely corrosive. When steel is exposed to oxygen and salt, it undergoes oxidation, forming rust. Rust weakens the metal, reduces structural integrity, and can eventually lead to serious damage. The coating system prevents this by acting as a protective barrier between the steel and seawater. Puzzle piece: multiple layers of defense. The red paint is actually part of a multi-layer system. Primer layer bonds paint to steel. Anti-corrosion layer stops rust formation. Anti-fouling layer, red, prevents marine growth. Each layer plays a specific role, working together to protect the hull. Tornado hydrodynamics: smooth equals efficient. A clean, smooth hull allows water to flow evenly along the surface. This creates lower resistance, higher speed, better fuel efficiency. The propeller at the back of the ship also benefits. With less turbulence, it can generate thrust more efficiently, converting engine power into forward motion with minimal loss.
In the end, the red layer below the waterline is far more than just paint. It protects the ship from rust, stop sea creatures from sticking, and keep the hull smooth so water flow easy. It means less drag, low fuel use, and better performance. Without it, ship would slow down, waste energy, and wear out waste. A simple coat powering the entire system.
These compounds slowly release, preventing growth.